Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Gloria Bautista, 26 years old with 2 children, ages 5 months and 8 years old. I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers. I am the 8th child of the family, living at Marabolig Uno, Cagayan City, Isabela. I am a licensed professional teacher, a board passer with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Filipino at Isabela State University, Cagayan Campus.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My experiences are dedicated, detail-oriented professional volunteer teacher for 1 year at Cagayan City National High School Marabolig Extension. As a teacher by profession, I am committed to making a positive impact on the lives of the children. Developed and delivered engaging structured daily lesson plans in the Filipino subject curriculum for grade 11 senior high school effectively. Evaluated academic progress of the students through systematic assignments and motivated classroom participation, providing constructive and timely feedback for the learning improvement. I am also a private tutor for 1 year. I am assisting young students foundational literacy requirements, implementing my personalized tutoring techniques focused on core reading comprehension skills, guided the students through consistent writing practice sessions and tracking their improvements to build their confidence in communication abilities. I have also experienced as a housemaid for 2 years to a couple with 1 child, ages 2 years old. My primary duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the child, and I do all the household chores like cleaning, ironing, and cooking. That's all for my experiences, sir.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you will select me as your employee, and I promise that I will do my best to serve to your family. I am an honest person, responsible, and self-motivated. Thank you.